And the face-off control. McGinn a shot, and Brock McGinn makes it 3-0 right off the face-off.
Oh, what a shot this is by McGinn. I mean, this is under the bar and in the net. And the Carolina Hurricanes are having some kind of fun on the ice. And this one goes under the bar and in. Jordan Binnington looks like he's going to get his first NHL action. And this is not a reflection, and I don't think Brian Elliott, I know I'm just speaking from my personal experience, wouldn't want to leave this net at all. It does enable Jordan Binnington, the 22-year-old, who has been terrific the last year and a half in the American Hockey League Chicago Wolves. That's the reaction that's the one that I would give as well. Just, you know, you just don't want to leave it. He's the one that's been keeping this team in the game.